Hello guys. Wait a moment. I want to discuss the English segment that we discussed in class. Let's work on it together. It will be faster if we discuss it.
Oh yes, the one about how technology like computer or apps change the way we learn, right? I am still not sure where to start.
Yes, me too. And then trust the question about online learning and its challenge, right? I think we need a discussion to make clear.
Agreed. It's easier to come up with ideas together. Shall we sit here and find a more comfortable place?
Here, it's fine. Besides, it's still quiet. Let's brainstorm from the answer first.
Hi guys, I'm curious how much of a role do you think informatics such as computer application and online research play in our learning today?
Okay.
I think it's really big, Shiva. With computers and apps, we can learn anytime and anywhere. For example, I often use apps like Notion to take notes, and YouTube videos are also really helpful for material that is difficult to understand.
I agree for God, but sometimes too much information can be confusing. Sometimes I find some sources that contradict each other. So we have to be good at sorting out what's true.
That's right, Juan. I also feel that technology has made it easier for us, especially with the books and online journals. But there are times when I miss reading printed books. I feel more focused when I'm not distracted by notification.
I feel the same way, Reza. But what do you think about online learning platform? Are they effective compared to traditional classes?
It depends on how you learn. I prefer to study in a traditional class because I can directly ask the lecturer. But online, I like it because it's flexible and there are many courses that aren't available on campus.
Yes, I agree with Furkan. Online learning is really flexible, but I feel that social interaction in a traditional class is important. Sometimes face-to-face discussion are more fun and ideas can come spontaneously.
For me, a mixture of both is ideal. Online learning is good for theory, but for lab work of group work, traditional classes are more effective.
Yes, each has its advantage and disadvantage, but technology also brings challenge. Have you ever found it difficult to use technology for learning?
Well, very often. Sometimes the slow internet is frustrating, especially when there's a deadline.
Me too. Also, multitasking is a problem. For example, I open my laptop to study, but I'm tempted to open social media instead.
Some here, F1, distraction is the main problem. I also sometimes have trouble understanding new software that I need to use for my assignment.
Well, that means we all experience similar challenge. Maybe we can try sharing tips to overcome this. For me, I usually make a strict schedule and use a notification blocker app when studying.
That's a good idea, Siva. I need to be more disciplined too. Also, I've read that the Pomodoro technique is good for studying. So, focus on studying for 25 minutes, then take a 5 minutes break.
Oh, I've tried that. It's quite helpful, especially if you're studying alone. Other than that, you'll usually set up distraction-free place to study. For example, switch off the TV or put your mobile phone away if you don't need it.
I also have a tip. If there's new software that difficult, I usually look for tutorial on YouTube or discussion forums. There are usually many well explained step by step, so it's easier to understand.
Wow, your tips are cool. I'm more excited to try it. But, by the way, are there any other positives of informatics we haven't discussed?
I think informatics makes us more independent. In the past, we had to wait for a teacher or lecturer to learn something. Now, all the information is on the internet. We just need the willingness to search for it.
Yes, I agree. If even join a free coding course online, in fact, if we join a physical course, it will be expensive. So we can learn a lot of new things without the limitation of time and place.
That's true, Ikhwan. But what I've learned is that although informatics make use for more independent, collaboration is still important. There are many platforms like Google Docs that make it easier to collaborate on group assignment.
Wow, that's true too. I realize that technology actually has a lot of benefits as long as we know how to manage our time and utilize it wisely.
That's right, Siva. I hope we'll get used to this technology and utilize it to succeed in our studies.
Agreed. The point is technology is a tool. We have to know when and how to use it.
Agreed. Well then, let's get excited about learning to use technology. My friends,
Cheer up everyone, let's make the best use of technology for a brighter future.